So I saw this today and I thought, is Best Buy trying to inflate the price of Xbox Series X's? So if you go on bestbuy.com, you will see that the 2 terabyte console Xbox Series X is $1,100. It says competitive value is $1,400, which you might look at and think, what? $1,400 for a 2 terabyte Xbox Series X? Like, what you smoking, Xbox? Like, what's going on here? Well, this is not what the price tag is. I don't know why Best Buy is jacking up the price. And if you saw this, you might think, oh, I want to get that special edition. Well, if you go to Xbox.com, their official website, you can buy it for $800. So right here, buy now, the exact edition you just saw, 2 terabyte edition, special little stuff on it, right? They also have the refurbished version, but the refurbished version is sold out. You cannot get that. But if I buy this right now, right, okay, check out. The exact edition that's $1,100 on BestBuy.com. It's not sold out or anything. Check out, free shipping. Well, that's nice. I can get it right now, Thursday, February 19th, which is 3 days from now. I can get this console. Or I could spend $17 and get it a day before that. So I'm not sure why Best Buy is doing this. Obviously, this really impacts the random person. Maybe you're buying this for a friend. Maybe you're buying this for a family member. Maybe you're buying this for a kid and your grandma. Like, this is the type of stuff that I don't understand exactly why. Because usually Best Buy is known for, or at least they try to make themselves known for, always matching the price, right? Always having the price that's, the same as everybody else or better. Not the case here. So I was trying to see, is there a special reason? And listen, I'm trying to give them the benefit of the doubt here. But no, it's the exact same console. And I'm sure if we look this up on Google, we could probably find other places where this is also the same price. On Walmart, exact same console, $877. GameStop has it for $800. Let's see where GameStop has it. Can I buy it today? I can buy it and get it within 2 to 3 days. I can get this console within 2 to 3 days at GameStop. Why is it $1,100 on Best Buy? So if I go to, let me see real fast. If I go to options, because here we go. More options. So these are other options available too. $1,109. Okay, so, and this is, by the way, this is what I don't really love when marketplaces do this. But this is sold and shipped by Yahir Inc. So this is a third-party company that is selling off of, BestBuy.com. And then Easy Tech is selling it here from their website as well. So it's not technically Best Buy, but it is Best Buy because they're allowing this on their platform. I just don't get it. I don't get it, but please do not fall for this. I'm going to call it a scam because it is physically a scam. If you can buy it straight from the manufacturer for cheaper than that, it's a scam. That's 100% a scam because you can buy it cheaper if you just go to Xbox.com or even if you go to Walmart or GameStop. Way to say that in the big 2026. But yes, GameStop is also going to be cheaper than freaking Best Buy. So, yeah, I just want to make this video because, again, like I said, I'm not sure if this is like some type of, hey, let's try to make the price of this console get inflated a bit, and then maybe eventually we can sell for more money. Now, again, it's not technically Best Buy doing it, right? Because at the end of the day, this is not Best Buy's posting. It's on their website, though. So if you go to bestbuy.com and you're like, oh, I want to buy that console, and you don't know the price tags of the consoles, you might see it and be like, okay, I guess this console goes for like, $1,100. No, it does not. That's just because for some reason Best Buy is allowing you to post, or I guess these companies to post for $1,100 on their website, which again just makes the company look bad. But hey, who am I to know that? Anyway, tell me down below your thoughts and opinions. See you guys next one.